welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to explain the assembler directives in 8086 microprocessor, right? So here the assembler directives, the name itself you can see assembler. So assembler directives, okay. So while executing the assembly level language programming, so some directives should be there in that for assembler, okay. So that assembler directives we are going to see in the program, okay. So in program we are going to assume some directives, okay. So that directives we are going to see. So these are the some instructions in assembly language program which are not part of the processor instructions, okay. This is not part of the processor instructions, okay. So this is only used for what assembler directives, right? So this assembler directives is sometimes is also called as what pseudo instructions, okay. Pseudo operations or pseudo instructions, okay. So let us see some of the assembler directives. So here assume is one assembler directive. That is assume means what assumptions, okay. Some we are going to assume some data now, so that can be done in the program, okay. So that is what assume the assembler directive. Then DB, if you mention the DB, so DB in the assembly level language program is, so that is what defined byte. And if D means DD means define double word, right? Then DQ means define quad word. Then DT means define 10 bytes. DW means define word. So all this DB, DD, DQ, DT, and DW is mainly deals with the data, type of data, whether the type of data is what byte or double word or quad word or 10 bytes or word. So that can be decided by using these DB to DW, right? Then end indicates end of the program. So end of the program that indicates what, that is end end assembler directive. Next, end p indicates end procedure. So for example, if you want to use the procedure and call return, so call operation, so this np indicates end procedure. And end s means end of the segments, okay. So what type of segments, whether code segment or data segment or in the different segments are there, na? So in that, so if you want to end that segment, so you have to use end s segment, right? Then equ means equate. So if you want to equate some data operands, means we can use this assembler directives, that is eq. So automatically, so if you mention this type of keywords, automatically the assembler will understand so what type of data is carried out for this instant, okay. So that is the assembler, the name itself, assembler directives, right? Then even also one keyword, that is assembler directive, so tells the assembler to increment the location counter of the next even address, okay. So next even address, so that can be done by using even assembler directive, right? Then extend also extrn, okay, it is the assembler that names are labels, okay. Then global can be used in place of public indirective and external directive. Then label also, so it is used to give the name of the current value in the location counter, okay. So the and name, so name means what, if you mention the name in your program, okay, the name as a keyword in your program, it is used to give the specific name to each assembly module. So for example, if you want to we are writing the program, so for that program we're going to give the name is, so we have to put the assembly directive as name, name, okay. So NAME means it understands the assembler and understands the particular uh, particular words or, okay, particular name is mainly used to describe the assembly module, like that, right? And similarly org means what, there is starting of the segment, okay. So location counter is set to 000 when the assembler starts reading the segment, right? And then PROC means is used to identify the start of the procedure. Then public also, it is used to tell the assembler that is specified name of label will accessed by the other modules also. So these models can be accessed by the some other modules, okay. That can be I mean indicated by the public keyword, right? Then segment also, it is used to indicate start of the logical segment. And type also, so it is used to tell the assembler to determine the type of the specified variable, okay. So these are the assembler directives. These are the main assembler directives which are used in 8086 microprocessor, okay. So it is mainly used to use for what, processor, okay. It is used to identify the assembler, okay. So what type of operation to be carried out by using that assembly codes, right? uh, hope you understood and enjoyed this video. So please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.